We've got the fireworks ready. They're set right here. We're gonna find out if it's a boy or a girl, and we are so excited. Hello everybody in the world. Today's a very exciting day because it's the gender reveal of our next baby. There's gonna be fireworks, snacks, fun, games, lots of children, and this guy. So we just ordered the pizza. People are starting to arrive. Party's getting started. We got the cornhole game set up. They're all hanging out playing that. And I think we're gonna play some volleyball yet too.
Okay, that was obvious.
No. Like we're gonna be down to 15 now after the round is over.
They died, Nick.
Oh, that was close.
Ah! David.
Oh.
The pizza has arrived. And we're so excited because we're very hungry. The pizza's here. Everybody cheer.
Let me do it.
Okay, fine. One-handed is more difficult.
Okay, here you go.
There, thank you. All right. Pizza time.
12 pizzas!
Definitely not 12.
Let's just lay out the ball.
We're gonna lay out the pizzas. All right, well, I just finished eating. How's the pizza, everyone? Good? Nice. They're correct. It was very good.
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. That's so cute.
Good shot, baby. Oh, Peter.
Terrible shot, baby.
Uh-oh.
It makes me feel better. That almost made me run there for a kiss.
Who's winning?
We're on the board, the old fogies.
All right.
The old
All right.
fogies.
All right. Peter,
Holy.
I don't know if lunch is your thing, but you're really out to lunch. Oh! I will shut up next time.
David is going to help us with the score.
Oh, that's 1 point for you so far.
Not for now.
Peter does. Oh, now
0.
for both.
What the heckin'?
Well, this is how I play.
That's still 0 for both.
Heckin' continues.
Good try, just do better.
We're at 1.
I can't lose tonight.
Does that count?
Nope. It touched the grass.
Ah.
Hey!
That touched the grass.
After.
Ah.
That one.
Whoa!
Peter.
Unfair. They've been playing already. This is our first round.
I mean, you are screwed.
Nah, we're only gonna get better. They're just gonna get worse. I take that back. Oh, don't touch the grass.
She wanted to be here, but
Too much.
meetings wouldn't reschedule.
Awkward.
He's not throwing you off.
No.
Sorry, Shannon.
John!
Shoot. I think I need to stand on the side that Peter's standing on right now.
Well,
Yeah,
it's called
he's
handicap
got downhill advantage.
Downhill advantage. Yeah, downhill advantage is actually bad. You want uphill. Uphill is better because it won't slide over the end as easy.
Oh, would you look at that?
Good job.
Do not knock it in. Fail. No!
Daddy did.
No! Needs walls on the side. Okay, I just have to go between yours.
Technically.
Ah, Sam.
And over, yeah. Oba.
There.
Between like
No!
Okay, well, 0.
that.
0.
Why is it 12 nothing?
because we had
Because they have 12 points and we have nothing.
Be encouraging. David is always super nice to his woman.
Oh, nice one, love.
Yeah, Wiz is past his head. Good job, honey.
Good job, babe.
Yes, good job,
Oh
love.
my god. Wow.
Terrible.
Good try,
What it
babe.
must feel like to be in love with Peter.
Yeah, 6, so we're at 18.
Oh my goodness, man, we are
18-0.
failing.
We
Miserably.
only just
We call a
started.
rematch.
They've been
It's
playing
21.
over and
if they
over and
go-
over and
so
over.
we play
We
3
call
games.
rematch.
Yeah, we've played 0.
One is Okay, gotcha.
Oh.
Now if
Oh!
No,
That
no,
bounced off,
it hit the grass.
It bounced off.
Yeah, it doesn't count. If it touches
That's
grass, it's
exactly what
dead.
I said.
if
Then
it's
zip it.
inside, and
There it
then-
is.
But if there's
Ah,
let's say
Shannon,
one
push
team
it
has
in.
one laying up
No.
B well, and the other one got one in. Well, that's just
No,
two
it's
for
yours.
the one that got the one in.
Because they're bad.
Yeah, yeah.
What if I do overhand?
Simple.
No.
Okay, it might actually work if I do farther.
Woo!
Oh, we win. We win!
Okay, we're
You
changing
ended
sides.
again. Okay, so anyways.
So we need to try something different.
So do it.
You can try overhand. Not gonna work as you.
That's way too much force.
Yeah, probably.
Try under the leg.
Under the
That would
leg.
work. That'll totally work.
Hey,
no, but you do this right.
Alright, I'm gonna try under the leg.
Okay,
Oh.
That's the secret recipe there.
there must be a rule, like if you win by 10-0, it's a skunk.
I've never skunked that hard.
I've never stuck that hard before.
Just kidding. Doesn't count. Oh my actual second.
Oh,
What's going on?
Vanessa,
We
you're
got-
screwing me up.
hit it!
That's okay. Throw it up higher.
Yeah, throw it up higher. Yeah!
Sheldon.
Sheldon.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I never said it was.
Yeah.
We got one.
It touched grass!
Yeah, Shannon, that's incredibly funny.
Thanks.
So
I thought you flipped in the bird.
What?
I thought you flipped in the bird.
I am not that dumb.
Oh, okay.
Honey, throw farther.
I'm throwing uphill.
What?
And I'm used to throwing down.
There
Whoa.
I'm just gonna keep talking. That's supposed to help.
ah, they got
I'll
points.
find something to talk about.
Short.
You're short.
Coming from
This
you.
guy's full of insults.
As my 9-year-old is almost as tall as you.
Oh, that's hurtful. That's ouch. Okay, babe, just get a hole.
Nice try, babe.
Oh, we got
It's
points, babe.
tie game.
We got a point.
I said get it in the
Yee.
Okay, I'm just gonna talk about random things because that seems to work.
Wow. See, it does work.
Do that again.
Okay, well, that thing in there is currently zeroed out, so you better get
Just
another
keep
one.
Talking.
You talk a lot for a woman.
We're
I
up
do, I
one.
know.
No, you're not.
I just gotta talk.
Oh!
You got one.
Didn't work.
I hit the board.
Don't talk much too much.
Talking, Ben.
There, that's the camera woman you.
Oh.
We've got a videographer going.
Yeah. How much is this gonna cost?
You should put some schmirts on
Honey, keep talking. You're losing points.
Yeah, I'll keep talking.
No,
So
they're at 9, honey. No, they're at 10. They're at 10, honey.
the
This
average
is-
flying
this is
speed of
intense.
a laden swallow is something number.
What the? Okay.
I don't know.
So what are we at now?
You're just gonna see what I'm doing on my phone.
You guys are talking.
Oh!
3-pointer.
Okay, knock theirs in, knock theirs in.
Oh!
Tied it.
So we got one.
You're at 16 then.
16. Oh my god.
You're cheering for my team too. That's good.
Short.
So I just need one.
No, it's on.
Short.
Nope.
Opa.
Opa. He's trying to do a trick shot. Well, I don't know what I'm trying to do.
You guys are catching up by a point at a time.
Yeah, either 1 or 2 points.
Slowly but surely.
Okay, you're our point maker, Alyssa, so
Okay, we got how many points?
You're at
We got 1
17 now.
point there,
we're
right?
at
Hurry up, come on.
17.
Yeah, we're at 17.
It's getting cold.
Sheldon, vi tjänar inte fler än det.
Made Nadeza.
Ah! Stop talking, you DSs.
Yeah, you Nintendos.
I am getting too competitive. I need to calm down.
Holy. Okay, you have to
Alyssa,
stop that
just throw
one.
yours away.
Stop that 1 point.
No!
All right, well, we lost at cornhole, but we're winning at life. Ready? Alright, go again.
I got it! You didn't catch it. Yes, I did. I caught it.
Ready?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I was almost
Caught it off of bounds.
almost
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it that way. Oh! Hey, you dropped it on your head. Ready? Woo! Hey! This is getting a little bit crunched.
Who cares? Make it pop. Make it pop on my head.
Oh! That looks like it hit your foot.
Michael, let other kids have a turn. You're just running over everyone.
Yeah, stop being so tall.
You're the tall one. Woo!
Hello.
You having fun?
Yeah.
It'll crack it. It won't crack it. That's what I'm going to use. Okay, guys, get
Nice.
ready. Yeah, probably.
Ready?
Woo! Oh my God! I didn't do anything. He's always like, I didn't do anything.
Ready? Don't run over Sienna.
Okay.
News.
Ready? It's got a flag.
Renee, what are we doing?
Seeing the fire.
We're throwing garbage into the fire pit.
Whoa,
Oh.
it's nice and warm.
That thing just melted like nothing was in it. Wet. Hello? Can we get 70 kids, gummies, 70 everything. Like your name is 70 everything. Go lab! Get out of my way! None of you go.
Hello. We are throwing.
Good throw. Ready?
Everyone's still
So it's pretty cold. So we're here at the fire now. It's very, very nice and warm.
Yeah,
And there's Felicity.
oh, that's white. Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay, so we've got the fireworks ready. They're set right here. We're gonna find out if it's a boy or a girl, and we are so excited. So Alyssa's gonna light them and then come running to us. We've got a bunch of people over there that is not possible to see on this camera. We're very excited. Okay, you can light them.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Doc. It's a girl! How many girls? It's a girl! We're having a girl, and we are so excited. What'd y'all think?
I lost.
You lost.
Sorry, Alex.
I thought it was a boy because of his video, the way his expression on his face.
Yeah.
When he looked at the envelope, I'm like, okay, it's a boy then. But then you threw me off because you said another farmhand. I'm like, I'm like,
See,
no.
but then
I was like, no, it could be a girl then.
So you're saying it worked?
See, he thought that I was saying that it was a boy because I said that it was going to be blue sparkles or whatever if it was a boy. And then he immediately thought it was a boy. And then he started second guessing himself. And I was just like, I like messing with his mind. Because he messes with mine so much.
Yes. We believe him for sure. You didn't have a guess?
Until 5 seconds before the fireworks.
What was your guess?
Girl.
She would say that.
Auntie Lisa's my witness.
Yes,
I
she
said
did
girl.
say girl.
Okay.
She's on the girl team.
This is the only way that I can film.
4 of my people guessed girl
Yeah.
before you even found out you were pregnant. You kissed a girl?
No, I guess her.
Oh.
I guess her.
Both. What did you think, Alex? You're gonna have a little sister. You're a big brother. Oh.
My goodness. Now your boy and girl.
I hope another firework doesn't shoot out of there.
No, that
Yeah,
one.
yeah, Peter was
that one
already
went
talking
over
about
there. Shannon.
Huh?
The one that was stuck in there went over there.
Yeah, I heard her leg.
Kinda smoking.
Oh, I didn't even see it. Hit her leg on the way by.
Did it?
Yeah.
I knew it hit someone.
It did. Yeah. I didn't even hear it. I didn't see or hear anything.
I was too excited, I guess.
It must have been very close to Felicity because the way where she was standing from her leg, it just must have come right by her.
Oh,
Already burn marks on your
yeah.
face.
That's a crazy jump.
It's just that one little spot there just kind of just smidge.
I went to back.